Hi, it's Felicia here. For those of you that have seen my videos before, you know that I love to grow things to eat. And one of the things I thought I might post for you is a video about sprouts. So there's multiple ways to do sprouts. They're really easy, they're really fast, they're really nutritious. You can do them with soil or without soil, and I'll show you both. So this tray right here, this is arugula. It's 8 days old. You can eat it right now. It's nice and spicy. You can still get seeds either at a grocery store or an independent garden center that's still open if you don't have seeds. Not quite as much foot traffic as a big box store. I grow in large quantities, but you can also do leftover seeds with sprouts. Like I had these from last year. And you can do like sprout mixes. You can use different tray sizes. This is one that fits in a window if you're short on space. This is a shallow, this is actually a microgreen tray. So you can fill this with soil. You can use any container really. We have our Sprout Island seed starter. I'll just do a real quick one here. And when you spread seed, by the way, I'm major faux pas. I'm dipping into my seeds with a damp hand. You don't really want to do that. So just fill it to the top or near the top and sprinkle and try to get an even coating. And that's probably good. I don't know if you could see as that was falling on. The seeds were falling. You just water that in, light spray. And you could set that. You don't even need to cover it if the seeds are small like this. And you can just set that right in the window and it turns into that. And then you can eat it. So real quick, you can do that with the kids. That one is super easy. I just demonstrated with arugula seed, but you could do any of the microgreen seeds you can find at the store. The other way, you actually use, this one's one of my favorites. These are peas right from like the dry goods section at the store. You can soak these and they'll sprout. Very good. You can get pea shoots that way. The other thing, if you don't have soil and you can't make it to the store and you happen to have seeds, this is a 2-part lid. That's just like a canning band and just a piece of screen. You could actually make that. You could use cheesecloth or something too if you don't have that. Or you could buy something like that, sometimes the rings will rust. So you can, I'm gonna take my old seeds from last year. You can dump these right into your jar. And this is just gonna be for straight sprouts, not necessarily like microgreens like these. So if you fill, make sure all the seeds are covered with water, right? Let that sit overnight. And then tomorrow morning, you can dump it out. And then actually let all the water come out. And you can just set that on the counter and it'll sprout. And you'll have the little sprouts like you buy at the store in the little clam shells. That's how easy that is. No need to buy those at the store. You can grow those at home. So, arugula, 8 days.